Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to upload high quality reels on Instagram. For this, open the Instagram app, tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner, then on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner, scroll down. Under your app and media section, you will find data usage and media quality. Tap on this. Here, toggle on the upload at highest quality option. When you enable it, you will be able to upload your reels or post on highest quality. You can also toggle on this data saver option. It's all up to you. And here, about the high resolution media, you can select it on cellular plus Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi only. That's your choice. But to upload your reels or post on highest quality on Instagram, you have to enable the upload at highest quality option in data usage and media quality. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Also, subscribe to our channel.